I'm making something really delicious.
You'll need lemon from concentrate, frozen Minute Maid lemonade, heavy whipping cream, and delicious Cool Whip. Who doesn't love Cool Whip? Yummy. You also need sweetened condensed milk and your graham cracker pie crust. Go ahead and get a bowl, put your Cool Whip into the bowl. There it is. And now add your heavy whipping cream, your sweetened condensed milk, your frozen lemon, and your lemon concentrate. Mix it up. Now we're not done. We're going to alternate adding these ingredients. There it is. Add some more Cool Whip, heavy whipping cream, sweetened condensed milk, frozen lemonade, and lemon concentrate. Mix, mix, and mix. Now it's time for the mixer. Look at that. So this is really easy to make. Add some more sweetened condensed milk, heavy whipping cream, frozen lemonade, lemon concentrate. And I want to give you this little tip. It is easier to add than to take away.
Mix, 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 mix. Now we're going to put the pie filling in the pie crust. Look at that, so rich and creamy and thick. Let's cover our pie and we're going to place this in the freezer for a couple of hours to let it set. It's ready. Cut into that pie. Look at this, it's so delicious. Very easy to make, a perfect combination of lemon and sweetness, a delightful treat. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow. I will see you next time.